Okay, so what are we learning today? Today, we are going to review how to infer the main idea and supporting details of a text. Why are we learning this? Because identifying the main ideas and supporting details is going to help you be able to write your summary at the end of the week. And we are going to learn this we're going to do this by answering specific questions that we ask ourselves when we're finding main idea and using those repeated ideas. Okay. So far this unit, you've already done so much. We watched a brain pop, you read about the North and the South and how they were different before the Civil War, and you read A Nation Divided. And so here we have the map that shows the South and the North, and you learned overall that the Civil War was a war that was fought between the North and the South of the United States from 1861 and 1865. And you learned that the South became its own separate government, crazy, called the Confederate States of America. And they even had their own flag, right? And so sometimes we do see this still. Some people do still fly the Confederate flag. And we're not going to see it that much in this unit, but you know now what it is. We're not going to see it that much because it just represents a lot of hatred, and that's just not what we're about. Okay, so we just talked about that. Today, you are going to watch another brain pop. Your job is to listen for what caused the Civil War. You're going to listen for what caused the Civil War. I want you to tell somebody right now. Go tell somebody, I'm going to listen for what caused the Civil War. Okay, get ready.